everyone, welcome to my channel guys, and yes, I will be watching a Tamil song right now which stars Surya, Bhumika and Jyotika, and this song is composed by A.R. Rahman. So this song is called Munbe Va. This is the song name, Munbe Va, and this is from a film called Silluna Oru Kadal. So I am guessing that's how it's pronounced, and this is, I've picked it up from various recommendations that I get. So many song reactions, so many movie songs reactions. So I was like, yeah, it's been a while since I watched a Tamil song, and this is composed by A.R. Rahman, so I definitely want to give it a listen, and it was suggested. So I'm apparently, I'm assuming it's a really good song with A.R. Rahman, and I get to see Surya. Yeah, so yeah, everything has lined up properly. Universe has lined this up properly. So yes, let's not delay this any further. Let's listen to this song and let's watch the video because it's a video song. So yeah, let's enjoy watching the video as well. It's a romantic song. Yes. Happy to see Surya in this role again. Bhumika's character belongs to a very rich family. I can see that. Shreya Ghoshal voice, na? She's imagining that.
நனைந்து வாட என்னாளத்தில் ஒன்றக்கம் நாடிக்குள் ஒன் சத்தம் உயிரே என்னை நானே
Okay, what's going on?
நிலவிடம் வாடகை வாங்கி விழி வீட்டினில் குடி வைக்கலாமா நான் வாழும் வீட்டுக்குள் வேறாரும் வந்தாளே தகுமா
தென்மலை தேக்குக்கு நீதான் உந்தன் தோள்களில் இடம் தரலாமா நான் சாயும் தோள் மேல் வேறாரும்
beautiful song, and I just want to see who the male singer is. Wait. Naresh Iyer. Okay. So Shreya Ghoshal and Naresh Iyer. My god, Shreya's vocals. We'll talk about the vocals first because I cannot really comment on the lyrics. I don't know Tamil. But I'm guessing she's so much in love. They are in love. It's a romantic song. They're talking about each other, being in love with each other, and how amazing it feels. How their life has become better, loving the other person. This is the assumption. This is how all love songs go, right? This is how all love songs go. So, but Shreya's voice is just exceptional, guys. Her vocals are absolutely exceptional. And I mean, you can let me know in the comments, because at least from what I have, listened, like I've listened to a couple of her songs that she has sung in Malayalam also, and I have read the comments there that her diction and pronunciation is absolutely on point and perfect, even though it's not like her native language. So I'm assuming here also the way she has sung in terms of like the words, the way she's pronounced the words, they are also perfectly pronounced, and like her diction is absolutely perfect. That's what I'm assuming. You can correct me in the comments. But she sounds heavenly beautiful. Her vocals are out of this world. She's one of my favorite singers. She's one of my favorite singers. Even the guy, Naresh Iyer, he sang really well. And this is a very beautiful, soothing, romantic vibe. Like, in fact, I was, recording one after the other. I'm recording videos one after the other. So I listened to another romantic song a while back. So this is like, okay, my mood was already very nice after I had listened to that song. That's another song. But then now I have listened to this and I feel even better, because firstly the vocals were beautiful and the beat, the vocals are great. Now talking about the beat by A.R. Rahman, I love his unusual beats. Like, here, if you see, the rhythm was a little bit different and that's like a signature in most of the A.R. Rahman songs that I have listened to and I have been exposed to. But here it was like thuk 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 thuk. That was the beat. So it was really cool. And he just tries always, like being different and something different. And yet the soul and the essence of the song did not change. Because even if I did not know what they're singing exactly, what's the language, I got the feel. And it has to do with how the song is being structured and mixed and mastered, and how the singers are singing that song. Coming to the visuals, I don't know what this movie is about, but clearly she is from a very rich family. He's not economically that well-to-do. That's what I'm assuming. That's what it looks like. She's in love, and because she's hiding her face and stuff like that, she just doesn't want to be seen or recognized in public. So she comes from a powerful family, is what I'm assuming. Bhumika looks great. So is this a love triangle? Because I'm seeing in the title, I'm also seeing Jyotika's name. So do let me know. And Surya, so after a long time of watching the Surya video, so it's making me very happy, because I love his personality overall. And his romantic films, I've not watched a lot of them, but few of them, but I know he's like the quintessential romantic boy, and he does that role very well and naturally. But I have been exposed to more, like my exposure to Surya has been more on the serious films, like more of those. But I love him in this avatar. He looks very charming, because I feel he has very charming eyes and a very beautiful smile. So this was nice to see, and Bhumika is very cute. Very beautiful. So this was even, the song was nice to listen to, and the video was also very nice to look at. So yeah, those were my thoughts. Those were my thoughts on Munbe Va. That's the name of the song, Munbe Va. And let me know what it means at least. At least let me know what the title means. So I'm gonna sign off now. I enjoyed watching this song. Thank you for the suggestion. Keep them coming in the comments below, and at least because I keep, making a list of, okay, a particular comment getting a lot of likes and stuff like that. So I pick up that song and I at least bookmark it, that, okay, I have to watch it sooner or later. So do let me know in the comments. And yes, with that, I will end this video here. That was the reaction. Let me know your thoughts on the song in the comments below. And let me know a bit about the film also. How was this film? Was it like a super duper hit or not? And yeah. That's it, guys. I'm going to sign off from this video now. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this, and I'll see you soon on my next video. Bye.